Genesis GV70 2023, the luxury SUV, all you need to know about it, specs and details. GV70 makes have a splashy look and a beautiful interior that are undeniably upscale, so even if people can't name it, they'll know it's high-end when they see it. A turbo 4 or twin-turbo 6 provide more than enough power, and all-wheel drive is standard on every model. The GV70's ride is comfortable for when you just want to cruise in peace. 1. What's the new upgrades in 2023? All sport models, even those with the turbocharged 3.5-litre V6, get touch-sensitive steering wheel buttons and black-painted rear brake calipers. The 2.5T Prestige trim has been turned into the 2.5T Sport Prestige for 2023. Complete with a 12.3-inch digital gauge display and 3-zone automatic climate control. The mid-range 2.5T Advanced model now comes standard with the upgraded Lexicon stereo system, and the 2.5T Select gets upgraded front brake calipers and a heated steering wheel. Capri Blue, Muckaloo Grey, and Muckaloo Grey Matte are all newly available exterior colors. 2. Performance. The GV70 is available with either a turbocharged 2.5-litre 4-cylinder or a twin-turbocharged 3.5-litre V6 engine. The 4-cylinder serves as the entry-level engine and makes 300 horsepower, while the V6 makes 375 horsepower. While a manual transmission is offered with the Turbo 4 in the G70 sedan, the GV70 sticks with an 8-speed automatic as standard equipment. All-wheel drive is also standard. The GV70 with the V6 delivered an impressive 4.9 second 0 to 60 miles per hour time. 1/4 mile in 13.5 seconds and a top speed of 150 miles per hour. 3. Interior. The GV70's cabin design is more daring than its larger GV80 siblings. We like how the sweeping lines of the exterior carries into the interior for a cohesive look. Fine materials line the inside, and the knurled glass shift knob looks and feels luxurious. 4. Technology. The GV70 adopts its infotainment arrangement from the larger GV80 SUV, which means a large, widescreen infotainment display sprouting from the dashboard with a clickwheel controller mounted on the center console. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot are all standard features. A high-end Lexicon stereo system is available as an option. 5. Fuel economy. The most efficient GV70 model, according to the EPA, is the one with the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which earned ratings of 22 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway. The twin-turbo V6 earned ratings of 19 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, the 2.5T model delivered on its promise of 28 miles per gallon, while the 3.5T beat its estimate with a 26 miles per gallon result. 6. Our vision. The GV70 starts at an attractively low price, but we think upgrading to the advanced trim will be well worth the money. Doing so adds leather upholstery, interior ambient lighting, a heated steering wheel, and a host of driver assistance features, including a remote self-parking feature. Going with the advanced trim includes niceties from the Select model as well, including 19-inch wheels, a panoramic sunroof, and a 16-speaker Lexicon stereo system. The 2.5-litre Turbo 4 is plenty peppy, and the twin-turbo 3.5-litre V6 is admirably quick, and both are refined in their operation.